Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
I think I'm gonna kill them, Nick up in a BJ. What's up, flawless gang? So I'm back with a brand new video, and today we're working with Luvme hair today. So I love this company. They have some really good hair. Like, they're one of my top favorite hair companies, definitely. Of course, a wig cap, just another bag full of little accessories, a edge brush, some hoop earrings, and then we got a cute Luvme hair scarf. I love that. And the wig we're working with today is a 4x4 body wave wig. I've never worked with, well, I haven't worked with 4x4 in a long time. I shouldn't say I never, because I have, but it's so awkward, you know, working with 4x4 because I haven't done it in a while. But you see the construction of the wig. It is so nice. It comes with a strap, and this lace on Luvme hair is so nice. It probably is like one of the best HD laces on wigs like right now. I love Luvme. They're like my top 3, of course, for hair because they are bomb. But when working with closures, I always take off those little side pieces before I lay the lace. I feel like it just helps me better when I'm cutting the rest of the excess lace off to lay and melt. So that's what I do. I love those pink shears also. I got them on Amazon. They are like the sharpest scissors on the planet. I love them. They get super precise, and I just love the way that they cut my lace and stuff like that. But I'm going to speed this up for you guys, let you guys keep on watching how I achieved this look. And I loved this wig. This wig was bomb, and I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts in a little while towards the end. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make me clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. You're still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around,
Alright guys, so the wig, like I had mentioned earlier, is a 4x4 20-inch HD lace body wave wig from Luvme, and this hair turned out so nice. It was so awkward working with 4x4 because I normally do 5x5, but it felt good to do another 4x4. It's been a minute, but I definitely bodied and melted her down. I love it, and this hair just performed so well. Like, I love body wave hair because you can do so many different styles. You can do curls, you can do crimps, you can do straighten. Love it. And then of course, I just really did enjoy the way that this wig turned out. The hair is just beyond soft. Luvme's hair also bleaches really easy. It's just so nice. Like, it doesn't take super long for the knots to bleach. They're not super like big knots and just so hard to just, you know, turn that tan color. So that's a really big plus with wigs from Luvme, because these wigs nowadays be really big with the knots and just take forever to bleach, and that is not the case with Luvme. So check them out, guys. I did love this hair. This turned out beautiful. I love the natural layers in this wig as well, because I think wigs just get a little bit more dimension when they have some layers that are just, you know, straight, you know, long bundles. I think it just gives the hair a different look. So check this wig out, guys. You're looking for a really good easy closure that's going to last you a while, because Luvme wigs do last a long time. I love that about their hair, because it really is high quality, and I don't say that just because they send it to me. I say that because I work with them for a while, and I've worked with so many different hair companies, and a lot of them are just generic. They're just basic, you know, repeated wigs that you get from multiple companies. Luvme hair really stands out because the quality is in the wig. Like, you can tell this is good lace. You can tell that the hair is good because it's so soft, and just the way that these wigs hold up. My wigs from Luvme from a few months ago are still holding up. They have not shedded. Super easy. Like, it's going bald. I love them. Luvme hair is one of my top favorite companies. So check them out, guys. That is my review. I really did enjoy this install. It was so easy, and I just love the way it turned out. So I will have the direct link to this hair below, guys, to get the information for Luvme and the hair link. So everything will be in my description box below, but of course they are Shalisha Marie approved. I love Luvme hair so much. You guys are bomb. I love working with you guys. You guys are amazing. Definitely one of my top favorite companies in the hair industry right now. But as always, please, guys, you are not already subscribed, please subscribe and join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here, part of the family, so you don't miss out on any more uploads I'm doing. I have so much more content coming. This is the last hair install of the month, so thank the Lord we are getting through these hair installs, but I have some more fun content for the channel coming. But with all that being said, y'all, make sure you guys check out Love Me in this wig. This wig was definitely so nice, and I think closures are just perfect for the summer because it's not super, you know, too much lace. I just don't like a lot of lace in the summer because first of all, I don't be staying anyway, and second of all, it's just easy. You can just snatch it off if you want to. You don't got to do ear to ear like a frontal. Closures are really like stepping it up. I love closures. They're like probably one of my favorite wigs, and I love the ones that have like wider lace, you know, like 7x7, 6x6. I ain't never worked with a 6x6. I'm trying to see what that be like. You know, trying to see what it be like. But I love you guys so much. And with all that being said, I'm checking out. I will catch you guys back in my next video very soon. Bye, everyone. Mwah.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.